Hello guys, Merry Christmas and welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be solving this equation here. So first of all, 1 plus x has to be different from 0 and x has to be different from -1, right? So now cross multiplication, we have 14 which multiplies 1 plus x to the 4 equals 13 which multiplies 1 plus x all to the power of 4. So this is 14x to the 4 plus 14 equals 13 which multiplies 1 plus 4x plus 6x squared plus 4x to the 3 plus x to the 4. Cool. And then multiplying these terms here and bringing them to this side of the equation, I'm gonna have 14x. Okay, let's just do this. Equals 13 plus this is 52x plus 78x squared plus 52x to the 3 plus 13x to the power of 4. This one and this one here simplifying, we're gonna have x to the 4. And then bringing this, all other terms here, we're gonna have minus 52x to the 3 minus 78x squared minus 52x and then plus 1 equals 0. Okay guys, so that's what we got. And well, to solve this equation of the fourth degree, I'm just gonna divide both sides of the equation by x squared. Since x equals 0 is not a 0 for this equation, so I can divide it by x to the power of 2. So dividing all by x squared, this one divided by x squared, we're gonna have x squared minus 52x minus 78 minus 52 over x plus 1 over x squared, and then this is 0. So from here, x squared plus 1 over x squared, which is this one, I'm just grouping, and then this one minus 52, right, which multiplies x plus 1 over x, this one and this one here, and then minus 78, and then this is 0. So from here I have this one here, I can write as x plus 1 over x to the power of 2 minus 2 minus 52x plus 1 over x minus 78 equals 0. So this is then x plus 1 over x square minus 52x plus 1 over x, right? And then minus 80, and then this is 0. Now we have something really interesting, which is a second degree equation in terms of x plus 1 over x. So we can solve x plus 1 over x will be equal to negative b, which is 52, plus or minus square root of negative b, which is 52 square. So we get negative 52 square, right? We can write like this, minus 4 times 80 and all divided by 2. So x plus 1 over x is equal to 52 plus or minus. This one here inside will give us 5904 and all divided by 2, and x plus 1 over x then is equal to 52 plus or minus. Well, simplifying this, we're going to have that this number can be written as 144 times 21 all divided by 2, right? And then from here we have that x plus 1 over x is equal to 52 plus or minus, this one here is 12, right? So we have 12 square root of 21 here divided by 2, and when we simplify all by 2 we get x plus 1 over x equals 52 divided by 2. This is going to be 26 plus or minus 6 square root of 21. So we have two signs here, so it means that x plus 1 over x, let's say 1 is equal to 26 plus 6 square root of 21 here, and x plus 1 over x here, let's say 2, we're going to have here 26 minus 6 square root of 21. So now we have to first solve this one and solve this one. So Let's do it then. This is pretty cool. So now the first one here, x plus 1 over x equals 26 plus 6 square root of 21. Solving these guys, x here, from here we know that x has to be different from 0, right? X has to be different from 0 because we cannot divide by 0 here. So cross multiplication, x squared, x will multiply this term here, bringing this, we're going to have minus 26 plus 6 square root of 21, which multiplies x plus 1 equals 0. Remember, we're solving the first one here, right? So guys, this is just a quadratic equation, right? So x then is going to be equals to minus b, which is 26 plus or minus, 26 plus, let me delete it. So 26 plus 6 square root of 21, right? Plus or minus square root of 26 plus 6 square root of 21 square minus 4, right? And all divided by 2. So our x then is going to be equals to, this is going to be 26 plus 6 square root of 21 plus or minus. Simplifying these terms here, we're going to have, this one here to the power of 2 is 1432 plus 3112 square root of 21, right? And then minus 4, right? So this all divided by 2, and then x here is equal to 26 plus 6 square root of 21 plus or minus. Brackets here, this number, we can simplify it. We're going to have 1428, and we can simplify by 4. So simplifying by 4, we have 357, and then this plus 78 square root of 21, and then all divided by 2. And then we got x equals to 26 plus 6 square root of 21 plus or minus 2 square root of 357 plus 78 square root of 21, and all this divided by 2. So x here, dividing all by 2 here, we're going to have 13 plus 3 square root of 21 plus or minus square root of 357 plus 78 square root of 21. So guys, from here we have that our x1 is equal to, let me erase this, doesn't look any good. So from here we have our x1 equals to 13 plus 3 square root of 21 plus square root of 357 plus 78 square root of 21, and our x2 13 plus 3 square root of 21, and then minus square root of 357 minus 78 square root of 21. So this is x1 and this is x2. Okay, and then for the second one, we have then the second part here, the second equation. Let me just remember what it is actually, because I don't remember. The second one is this one here, right? So the difference is that we have negative here. So this is then the second one is x plus 1 over x equals to 26 minus 6 square root of 21, right? So following the same steps, guys, from here we're going to have x squared, considering x different from 0, x squared minus 26 minus 6 square root of 21, x plus 1 equals 0. And following the same steps we followed before, guys, we're going to have the difference is just going to be inside this square here, right? So let's solve quickly here. So x then is going to be negative this one, which is 26 minus 6 square root of 21 plus or minus square root of this term here square, which is 26 minus 26, which is going to be 26 minus 6 square root of 21 square minus 4, all divided by 2. So we don't have to do all these steps again because I'm just going to get to what actually matters, okay, here, because we did all the steps before. The difference is that we're going to have that this is going to be 1428 minus, remember that here it was a plus. I mean, it was a plus and I made a mistake here. This is a plus. We're just going to have a minus here, right? Because this is negative 1 here. So we're going to have that this is minus 312, right? That was 312, right? That was 312. Let me get, okay, 312 square root of 21, all divided by 2. But the thing here, guys, oh my God, something bad happened. Okay, I'm just gonna simplify this here, guys, because otherwise I'll have to I will start from the beginning and I don't want it. The thing is that 31 square root of 21 negative 312 square root of 21 is greater than 1428, right? So what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna factor out the negative 1 here, and remember that it would be 4, so this one will be just 13 minus 3 square root of 21 plus or minus I, which multiplies square root of minus 357 plus 78 square root of 21. Okay, so from here, I don't know what happened here, but it's giving some space. I don't know why. Okay, so guys, forgive me, but I would have then this is divided by 2, right? And let me just erase this one here because it's not even erasing. So from here, guys, from here we have, my apologies, x3 is going to be 13 minus 3 square root of 21 plus I square root of minus 357 plus 78 square root of 21, and our x4 is equal to 13 minus 3 square root of 21 minus I square root of minus 357 plus 78 square root of 21. Okay, guys, so this is the solution. These are the solution for our equation. Thank you very much, guys. See you next video. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment what you think about this solution. See you next video. Bye bye.